don't scroll, I would like you to follow me. Share this video for me. Like it as well. It's very, very important. I'm here for those that they've been married for a couple of years, but their partners are maltreating them. I'm here for those that they've been dating for a couple of years, but their partners are also maltreating them. I'm here for those that their lovers have left them and they want them back. Listen, maybe your lover have left your whole life. You want the person back. I'm here to teach you how to get that person back. Have you seen? We are going to tear a plain white sheet of paper. After tearing a plain white sheet of paper, write your partner's name on the paper with a red pen. Write your partner's name on the paper with a red pen. After writing the person's name on the paper with a red pen, you go along with a local ring. This is a local ring, the black one. You go along with a local ring and a sugar. The main reason you are using the local ring is because you are wedding the person spiritually, so that a person who belongs to you spiritually. Yes, and the main reason you are using sugar is because you want your relationship to be sweet as sugar. So you put the local ring on the person's name, then you pour the sugar on it. Mention the person's name, fold it with the sugar, and go and leave it in the public toilet. I'm telling you. Go and leave the sugar with the local ring in the public toilet. Wherever that person is, he or she is going to be madly in love with only you. I'm telling you. The person is going to be madly in love with only you. Only you. Before you and after you, the person is not going to be interested in any other person. The person is going to be mad with you. Only death can separate both of you.